Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to work the feather rib. This is a very simple 2-row repeat stitch, and you'll need to cast on a multiple of 5 plus 2. And for row 1, which is a right side row, you're going to work purl 2 followed by a repeat of a yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, knit 1, purl 2 across. We need to purl 2, so bring our yarn around to the front, purl the first 2 stitches. So after our purl 2, we need to work a yarn over. So you can go ahead and yarn over from front to back. So a normal knit 2 together goes from the front to the back and kind of crisscrosses your needles like this. But a knit 2 together through the back loop is done from right to left into the back loops only. So if we look at our stitch, you can kind of tell that there's a front loop here and a back loop here. We're going to go into the back loop only. So I'm going to go into these 2 stitches at the same time from right to left, and then yarn over from front to back, pull a loop through, slide those 2 off your left hand needle. And now we're going to knit 1, bring your yarn to the front and purl 2. Bring your yarn in between your needles to the back, and that is your repeat. So just work a yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, knit 1, purl 2 across. And at the end of the row, you can go ahead and turn. Bring your yarn around to the back. And for row 2, which is a wrong side row, we're going to work a knit 2 followed by a repeat of a yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, purl 1 through the back loop, knit 2. So it starts out easy with a knit 2. And now we're going to do basically the same thing we did last round. So yarn over from front to back, and then you're going to knit 2 together through the back loop. So remember, we go in through the back loop with our right hand needle like this, yarn over, pull a loop through and slide off. And now we need to purl 1 through the back loop. We can bring our yarn in between the needles to the front. A normal purl 1, you would go from right to left into the front loop, right? We're not going to do that. It's the yarn over from the previous row, so it looks a little bit different. There's a front loop and a back loop. We're going to go behind the back loop and pick it up like this. So our right needle should be in front of our left. Yarn over, pull a loop through, and slide off. Bring your yarn in between your needles to the back and knit 2. I'll show that to you one more time. So you're going to yarn over from front to back, knit 2 together through the back loop, yarn over, pull through, slide those 2 off. Bring your yarn in between your needles to the front. You go behind the back loop of this next stitch and come towards you. Yarn over, pull through, slide off, yarn in between your needles to the back and knit 2. And that's it. Just go ahead and repeat that all the way across. There you have it. Go ahead and turn your work. And we're back to the right side. It doesn't look like much yet. After a few rows, it will start to look like this. So there you have it. That is how you knit the feather rib stitch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos.